Dear students, let us begin with the third part of the lesson, in which you will learn about the competent processing with the proper scaling of data in SPSS. Understanding scaling. Scaling refers to the process of transforming variables to common scale. This is essential when working with variables that have different measurement units or scales. In SPSS, there are three different scales available. One is nominal, another one is ordinal, and our last one is scale. The scaling helps to ensure comparability and avoid bias in statistical analysis. Understanding scaling. Here the SPSS spreadsheet will look like this. Here in the measure column we may see the three types of scales. One is scale, another one is ordinal, another one is nominal scale. Variable types. Identify the types of variables in your data set, such as continuous, categorical, or ordinal. Different scaling techniques may be suitable for different variable types. For example, Z-score or standardization are commonly used for continuous variables, while categorical variables may require different approaches like dummy coding. For your data analysis to be accurate, it is imperative that correctly identify the types and the formatting of each variable. Information on the type of each variable is displayed in Variable View tab. Under the type column, simply click the cell associated with the variable of interest. A blue button will appear, which is visible like this. You may click, you may get the different types of scale. The variable types may be numeric, comma, dot, etc., which is we have already discussed in the last session. Handling missing data. Deal with missing data appropriately before scaling and analysis. Decide on strategy for handling missing values, such as imputation or deletion methods, based on your data set's nature and percentage of missing values. When dealing with missing data, data scientists can use two primary methods to solve the error: imputation or the removal of data. The imputation method develops reasonable replacements for missing data. It is most useful when the percentage of missing data is very low. Then outlier detection. Check for outliers in your data before scaling. It will affect your data analysis results. So before doing analysis, you should check the outliers. Outliers can significantly affect scaling procedures and subsequent analysis. Consider whether outliers should be treated, removed, or transformed before applying scaling techniques. Outlier detection procedures in SPSS. First, click Analyze, then choose Descriptive Statistics, then click Explore, then move the variable you want to analyze for outliers into the dependent list box, then click OK. Then you may get this plot. Here you may see the star symbol with the observation number 15, which is called as outliers, which is deviated from the another data sets. The another circle symbol with the observation 8, which is the mild outliers. You may see the outliers in this plot. Dear students, in this session we have learned competent process of scaling procedures, dealing with missing values, and identify the outliers. Let us summarize what we have learned in this lesson. Data formatting in SPSS, focusing on the importance of formatting, handling missing values, the significance of variables and labels, and addressing outliers and inconsistencies. We have discussed in part 1. In part 2, the importance of data labeling and scrutiny in SPSS is covered. The third part, competitive data processing with the proper scaling techniques, are discussed. I hope these concepts will be helpful to you in your research. We have completed our lesson on formatting of SPSS platform. Thank you.